Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to 30 CAGR YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about an indicator that we launched recently for crypto markets. Okay, but before we discuss about that, in case if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and hit on bell icon. You know that this channel provides you a lot of innovative algo tools, strategies, indicators, everything that you need for your stock market trading. Okay, so first things first, as you know, bluechipalgos.com, this is the website where we have all our algo tools for equity markets, and we also have a lot of indicators also, TradingView indicators also. All these indicators were also built for equity markets for the last like 3-4 years, but recently we entered into crypto market. We made a detailed video also on that, and as part of that we have built an indicator called BitSwinger. Okay, this BitSwinger helps not just Bitcoin, but any crypto currency or any instrument that you trade in crypto, it will help you. But especially Bitcoin, it will predict the trend with higher accuracy. Okay, so we will see about the indicator, how it works and all that. But just remember that no indicator gives you 100% accuracy. Even if someone says so, do not trust them, because no indicator, nothing in the world works 100%. Okay, so just make sure that you use it along with your regular analysis. Okay, when it comes to my trading, I use it heavily. This is like the primary thing in my analysis, but I also add my own analysis, my own price action concepts to this, and that's when the trading gets better accuracy. So first we will see what this indicator is and how to read this, and then we will also see how to make it better. Okay, first thing is, in this you have 4 shades. First is you can see green, bright green, and then dark shade of green, and bright red and dark shade of red. So basically bright green is nothing but it is trying to tell you that markets might go up in near future. Okay, and dark shade means dark green also says the same thing, but it is like a weak signal. Okay, the market is not yet ready and it's a weak signal, and we shouldn't really be relying too much on the dark shades. Likewise, red is also the same. If you see red signal, okay, it says that there is a probability that market might come down, or at least it will not go up. Okay, in most of the cases what happens is this indicator really helps you in another way, saying that if you get red, there is a chance that it might go down, or at least it might not go upside. Very rarely it might give counter signal. Okay, so that way it might help you. And dark red is again a weak signal that again says that market might be bearish for the next few candles. So very easy. All we need to do is focus on bright green and bright red. These are the only things that we need to focus on. Now if you see here, I have 2 charts. One is 1 hour. You can see the time frame here, 1 hour, and here you can see the time frame is 15 minutes. So left side chart is 15 minutes and right side chart is 1 hour. Now why do I use 2 charts? See, if you are an intraday trader, my suggestion is, especially in crypto, in equity markets it's altogether a different ball game. You can start with 3 minutes, 1 minute or 5 minutes also, but when it comes to crypto market, we need to make sure that we trade in less signals, but the target and stop losses are more, like 500, 600, 800 points in Bitcoin especially, because if you trade like that, only if you trade like that, you get handful income at the end of the month. Otherwise, we all know that the brokerage charges are a bit high in crypto, right? So if you target 100, 200, 300 points, then most of your profits might go into brokerages only. So my point is, try to trade in 15 minutes or above charts for intraday. Okay, and if you can hold for multi-day, like 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 days, then 1 hour chart is better. Okay, but what I do for my trading is I combine both 1 hour and 15 minutes. Why? Because 1 hour gives me the overall trend. For example, if you see here, this is 9th July, and on 9th July, the bull run started from 1,09,000. It went till 1,19,000. So almost 10,000 points it went up in the matter of like 2 to 3 days. The point here is, we might not catch this entire thing, but what I really want to show you is, when I'm trading in intraday using 15 minutes chart, I want to first know the overall trend, and that overall trend is given by this 1 hour chart, right? So in the 1 hour chart, if there is a green, and even in 15 minutes also, if I get a green signal, the chances, the probability of markets going higher is very, very good. Okay, that is why I use both these 1 hour and 15 minutes chart for my trading. And of course, as I said, I also use some other price action concepts also along with this, but as I said, this is like the primary driver for me when it comes to my crypto trading. So if you see here, or maybe here, okay, if you see here, I got another signal, green signal, but how do I know that this is a true signal? Okay, when I look at 1 hour, then I get a confirmation that, you know, okay, this 15 minutes might actually give me good result if I take a trade as per this. Okay, so what I really want to tell you is use a combination of these two in case if you want to trade using this indicator BitSwinger. Okay, and now the most important part, how to get this. Okay, if you also want to have this BitSwinger, how do you get this? How do you avail this? Okay, there are two ways. One is you can go to this bluechipalgos.com, click on indicators, it will take you to a new site, and you can buy this BitSwinger. The cost is 12,000 rupees for 1 year, or we have an offer as always whenever we launch a new product. Okay, we generally launch it for free, but only for limited members. Okay, so even now also for first 100 members, we decided to give this BitSwinger absolutely for free of cost for lifetime. Okay, but remember, the point here is whoever opens an account with our referral ID in Delta Exchange, we have a tie-up with Delta Exchange. Whoever opens an account in Delta Exchange using our referral ID, they are going to get this BitSwinger for free of cost. Also remember, we are also releasing a lot of new TradingView indicators and algo tools. If you are our member, then you will have access to all these resources as well. So if you want to avail this for free, make sure that you do it within 100 slots. Post 100 slots, all these tools will be available on subscription basis only. If interested, you can contact us. We'll leave the number in the description, or you can also come to bluechipalgos.com and go to contact page to WhatsApp us. So that's all we have for this video. Hope you liked it. In case if you have any more questions, you can put it in the comment section, or you can reach out to us. Don't forget to subscribe. Once again, you are going to see a lot of interesting stuff like this in future, both on crypto and Indian markets. So do subscribe and hit on bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.